Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Cypher's channel. Today we have the Primal Attack Ornitholestes and from the original Jurassic World Proceratosaurus. So we will compare this to a epic evolution GUIABASAURus. So here we go today. It's brand new. We're gonna unbox it. So we're gonna check the box. Alright, so I still don't have the Velociraptor and the Caprosuchus, but we already have the Tujangosaurus right here. So in the next few days, it's gonna be Christmas. We're gonna be unwrapping more Jurassic World goodies. But for now, we're stuck in this. We're gonna be talking about this strike attack. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright. It has a nice green color. It's a perfect green. Scan DNA. It doesn't have any features though. But oh yeah, there you go. It looks like the head moves. The mouth opens up automatically. Nice color. Okay, let's compare to the Ornitholestes. These are small dinosaurs actually. The human's even bigger than these guys. Alright, so it is a little bigger. Then we have the Proceratosaurus from the original Jurassic World. So this two right here doesn't have any variants yet. But this one already has like 2 or 3, I believe. Or even 4, I don't even know. I think I have 2 downstairs. Yeah, so it says that this GUIABASAURus is found in Brazil. Yeah, so it is. The human's even bigger than it. Whoops. There you go. It has nice quills right there. The thighs has really nice coloring here. You got the serial code right there. So I'm planning to make an Ultimasaurus in the next few days. It should look good. I'm gonna need like a Dominion Tyrannosaurus, the arms of an Indominus Rex, and then a Triceratops. I'm gonna need 2 or 3 Ankylosauruses. But yeah, we'll see. It should look good. Alright, I think that's pretty much it for today. Alright guys, thanks again for the likes and the subscribes. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Have a great day and Merry Christmas. Bye bye.